Are you aware that a piece of you is already enjoying the life you desire? This idea isn't just a beautiful thought, but a scientifically proven fact. Quantum physics verifies our power to transition among different realities. Whatever you wish for currently exists, and a part of your consciousness is already living out these aspirations. This aligns with Plato's belief that our minds create reality, and by altering our mindsets, we can shift our realities. You can transition into your desired reality using quantum jumping. To do this, you'll have to comprehend quantum jumping and how to use it. It's a practice that employs quantum physics and the law of attraction to boost manifestation. This method lets you reach and interact with alternate universes, each having varying energy vibrations. By tapping into these universes, you can enhance your ability to manifest your dreams. Quantum jumping is centered on the notion that our universe contains multiple quantum realities, each distinguished by unique energy vibrations. By tuning into these realities, you can amplify your manifestation power. Embracing quantum jumping allows you to harness this power and use it to achieve everything you're dreaming of. To do this, you need to focus on specific goals and desires. Then employ visualization and mental power to leap into an alternate universe, one where those goals are already accomplished. Quantum jumping is an active practice where you visualize desirable outcomes and link them to a tangible experience. This method connects you to quantum realities, Quantum Green Studios, where you can investigate various quantum states. Here you transform into a new version of yourself, accomplishing your desired outcomes. There was a point in time where all our internal particles were entangled, going all the way back to the beginning of time. Everything in life is interconnected. Everything bears an energy signature, and everything, being in constant flux, possesses consciousness, meaning it has access to the quantum field. We're tied not only to each other in our present times, but also to all reality and time segments. Immanuel Kant, a well-known philosopher, proposed in his examination of the nature of reality, we see the world not as it is, but as we are. This affirms our perception's subjectivity and aids in understanding the flexibility of reality. Every decision we make offers a chance to jump to new realities. Believe it or not, quantum jumping is simpler than it seems. It's like there's an unlimited array of realities existing around us to which we can attune. Consider it almost like advancing in a video game, acquiring new skills and rewards as you progress. Remember, quantum jumping, just like playing a game, requires proper skill and understanding. Once you get the hang of it, you'll be able to maneuver through alternate realities, advancing towards your dreams. Just like brightening up the pixels on a screen, you'll be lighting up parts of your life with the manifestation of your dreams. The sentiment here underlines the power of conscious intention to shape our experienced reality. If you wish to manifest a new reality, it won't magically appear just because you want it to. It requires action. The true secret of crafting your life lies in feeling it. Your heart possesses wisdom beyond your mind. We biologically embody two personalities, mind and heart. Neuroscientists have discovered that easily recalled memories are long-term ones tied to intense emotions. These recollections condition the body to live in the past. Breaking free from these feedback loops involves the heart's power. When your heart and mind work together, you'll observe miraculous changes in your material reality that surpass your imagination. The subconscious mind holds memories, both real and imagined, and processes an incredible amount of data, roughly around 400 billion bits per second. The conscious life experiences are significantly less than that. Despite the subconscious mind's inability to differentiate between true and false or positive and negative, it still holds the potential to cure diseases and reduce stress levels. The mind also cannot distinguish between reality and vivid imagination, paving the way for a potential mind manipulation. Compared to the subconscious mind, the conscious mind processes information much slower and can handle around 2,000 bits of information at a time. Due to this, the subconscious mind is considered as one of today's most sophisticated technology forms. Our goal is to hack our minds. Today, accept your uniqueness and set your goals. Our subconscious mind propels us towards transforming our lives. Accessing and changing our subconscious mind is necessary to shift our thinking. As we delve into this advanced manifestation method, let me emphasize that the key to effective quantum jumps is to abandon the past and trust in possibilities. A belief is necessary for manifestation. Self-imposed limits form obstacles. Quantum states are believed to exist across different realities on elevated energy levels. To access an alternate universe during quantum jumps, have a calm, focused mind and take a deep breath. Before your meditation, ensuring a peaceful, relaxed state of mind is important. Meditation can access dormant brain parts. Whether you're meditating or simply breathing, maintaining composure is essential. To fully detach from the current reality, ignore any thoughts that possibly distract you. Deep relaxation of the brain and body eases this process. Without reacting, observe energetic patterns, which opens up your awareness of the quantum energy around you. This understanding gives you greater control of your life. Initially, this might not be easy, but avoid connecting immediate reactions to events. It's crucial to foster stability, helping us become co-creators of our own realities. You're the architect of your destiny. Quantum jumping encourages the exploration of various possibilities, empowering you to take control and manifest the reality you desire. Through meditation, a sense of calmness emerges, offering more clarity and understanding. Via this method, you can step from being a bystander to actively shaping positive outcomes for yourself and those around you. The right mindset is critical for accomplishing a reality jump. You must open your mind to the possibility of reaching your dream reality. Believing in achieving alternate states of consciousness can allow you to access information and ideas from a part of you that already thrives. To accomplish this, a shift in mindset and deep breathing exercises during meditation is beneficial. Affirmations can further prepare you for a successful reality jump. From this position, it's possible to shift to your dream reality. Visualize the infinite space and galaxies, and feel your connection with the universe. Acknowledge your unity with the universe and all its realities. It's from this unity where your desires translate to reality or jump to different realities. Make your dreams a reality by visualizing them clearly. When focusing on something, be mindful of the direction of your energy. Ensure it aligns with your desired outcome. Develop a positive outlook and have faith in your favor, regardless of potential barriers. Disregard external influences trying to shape your identity. Take control and decide who you want to be. Weave a meaningful personal narrative based on your choices. Feel empowered when confronted with different situations, as you have command over them. They don't control you. Details matter in the process of manifestation. Concentrate your thoughts on your deepest desires and goals. Let your heart guide you. Incorporate feelings of joy, gratitude, excitement, and hope. Envision yourself living the life you always yearned for. It's crucial to remain focused on achieving your goals, no matter what external forces distract you. Committing to your desired reality, you shape your world, refusing to be overwhelmed by doubts and negative influences. This unwavering mindset aids in mastering this process. Meditation stands as a powerful tool in manifesting your dreams and objectives. After meditating, believing that everything you have thought of is falling into place is essential. Trust and have faith that your reality aligns with your desired outcome may seem strange initially, but keeping your sight on the final goal is crucial. The power to shape your reality lies in the present moment. Make choices deliberately to experience your desires right now. The past and future get shaped by present decisions. Quantum jumping is a method to delve into different reality versions and align with your higher self. With positive thoughts and quantum energies, you can step into a life stream aimed at achieving your goals. This technique enhances your vibrations to unlock new opportunities and shape your reality. These strategies equip us better to connect with our higher consciousness, enhance mind clarity and focus, manifest our desires, and break free from the conscious mind limitations. There are critics who worry that certain individuals may misuse or misunderstand principles related to quantum physics and alternate realities to substantiate their New Age beliefs. The scientific community concurs that phenomena such as quantum tunneling and quantum jumping are observable only at the subatomic level and don't significantly affect our everyday life. However, as investigations progress on larger scales, scientists are discovering quantum-like behaviors perceptible in the macroscopic world. This work narrows the divide between the microscopic and the larger scales. Many professionals now theorize that everything in the universe, including ourselves, is in a state of superposition of numerous potential realities. Anecdotal evidence of alternate realities or parallel universes from people worldwide, like recurring déjà vu, unexplained time anomalies, or vivid dreams about alternate lives, supports this theory. Physicists are currently studying the potential existence of parallel universes to elucidate the observable world's phenomena.